Permacon presents a short animation on how to create a flower box using the Jasper Wall. Excavate desired area at least 12 inches deep. The excavated area should always be 6 inches wider on all sides. Spread 10 inches of crushed stone, then level and compact. Install the first row of the Jasper Wall. The module should sit 1 to 2 inches below grade to help prevent shifting. Apply beads of concrete adhesive at several places on each block. Install the Jasper Wall. Apply beads of concrete adhesive at several places. Repeat this process for 6 rows. Install Barkley capping modules to add to the finishing touch. Apply beads of concrete adhesive under each cap. Your flower box using Jasper Wall is now complete. To complete this project, you'll need the following products. Visit permacon.ca to consult our detailed installation guide.